guys, my birthday is made. My legs are still a bit dirty, but that's okay because I'm walking to another beach. Your girl is so happy. Islander. Ooh. Guys, I'm trying to find the perfect angle because someone forgot her newly bought microphone and tripod, and that someone is me. I told you guys I packed in a hurry, so I forgot everything, but I think this will do. I got this face mask some days back, and I've been saving it for today. I want to pamper my skin. So yeah, I had a very fun time, guys. Very swell time. I'm really not used to having lashes on, but guess what we do for beauty.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, because away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you
Hello, good evening. Thank you. Hey guys, my cake just came. It's so pretty. It's so nice. Oh my god. Let's do, I don't know if this is an unboxing, but let's open it together.
Come through, I think I need you here.
Happy birthday.
For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
First bite.
You, not trying not to slow. How I feel about you. I wish you wait. We know who you are. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. You, I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Good morning. I'm trying to pack my things now that I can shower and start going, because it's better to leave early, because by then the sea will be calm. There won't be much waves compared to if you leave in the afternoon. And I don't want to travel with fear again this time around. So yeah, just pack my things now, dress up and go. I won't be vlogging. I just came to fill you guys in. I had a very fun time yesterday. I went out in the evening. It was fun. Met new people, danced a whole lot, and yeah, just fun. My cake is still remaining, so we're going to try to travel with it. Just cut it up in bits and put it in like a plastic plate. So travel with it because it was big. We just ate a small piece. There's no way we're going to leave it here. No. So anyways, guys, that is me filling you guys in on what's going on right now. I'll see you guys later.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play. Like it was nothing, yeah. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna think it's so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it all away?